What is up, everybody? Dude, I'm so excited for what I've got going on right now. I've got some new lug nuts for my car, and I've been waiting on these for like a month. So I'm pretty stoked. I don't even know if they're gonna look good, but I'm gonna tell you, I'm excited to get them on the car, and let's do it. Alright, so here they are, NRG Extended Lug Nuts. The reason I got these were they were steel lug nuts, and I just simply liked the look of these lug nuts. I'm going to show you the packaging here. Seems like, I don't know, I kind of like it. How they packaged it, make it seem pretty nice. Yes, it's NRG. Look at that. That is really nice how they did that. I'm pretty impressed. Anyways, I picked NRG just because I liked how this particular lug nut looked. It had nothing to do with how this brand is. You know, I know they make some cheap steering wheels. I know they make some good quick releases and short hubs, and they can be good and they can be bad, but I don't know, I just I liked how that looked personally. Alright, so I'm about to put this on the car. I'm pretty excited. I'm probably gonna go to a quick time lapse on this one, but I will say it is so hot. It's so hot. I think it's probably 93 degrees in my garage right now, so I'm gonna try to do this as fast as I can, and then I don't know, jump in a pool. Oh, it's so hot.
Make the world hide a secret you never tell. Got a curse that I can't kick. Broken pieces I can't fix. All I know now is I know nothing now. But maybe it's okay to be lost in your backyard. Okay, to wander the words in the dark. Okay, to be lost in your backyard. Are we all just faking it? Maybe it's okay to be lost in your backyard. Okay, to wander the words in the dark. Lonely little terrified hearts. Are we all just faking it? Are we all just faking it, faking it? Are we all just faking it, faking it?
Man, oh man, am I hot. I thought I was hot before, but now I'm drenched, completely drenched. Car turned out pretty good, I must say. Yeah, I really like how the lug nuts just visible enough. Like, they're not overbearing, they're not spikes, but you can see them and you know that they're there, and they're complementing my I like how they complement the wheel hardware quite a bit. I think that these are going to do really well because they're the extended ones. With my bigger wheels in the rear, they don't look too out of proportion, and then my ones in the front, my lug nuts sink down more in the front than they do in the rear. Just that's how the wheel is made. It's a little odd. So they actually turned out pretty good. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how these lug nuts went. I can say that they went on way smoother than my ones that I had. And the ones I had was some cheap ones from O'Reilly's. But still, like, we went on really smooth, which they should, since I spent, you know, $90 for them. But anyways, I'm gonna cue the music right here and let you guys get a good cinematic shot, or, you know, music and a moving shot. Okay, there you go.
Just faking it. Are we all just faking it?
Well, I hope that looked pretty good. I don't know, I haven't edited yet. But anyways, that's going to do it for this video. I'm burning up. I'm going to have to take a second shower today. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like these lug nuts, you can get them from various sites. But I will tell you this. Do not buy these from J Racing. J Racing claimed that they were J Racing claimed that they are in stock, and they really weren't, and they made me wait over a month. And they weren't talking to me. I was sending them messages. I was trying to call them, and they would not answer. And then all of a sudden, when I filed a claim with PayPal, that's when they decided that they would start talking and sending the product. I don't know if they were just trying to be sketchy. I don't know if they were just working behind. I don't know if there was just a miscommunication. But here's what I'm going to say. I'm going to give the business for the benefit of the doubt, but I recommend not buying from them just because of my poor experience. I don't want you to have that poor experience. But I will say that from what little I did talk with them, they were pretty polite and they were nice, but it's just, I waited over a month for lug nuts. I just don't feel like that's very right. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.